Good day, my highly esteemed viewers. You are welcome back to class. In our today's discussion, we are going to consider balancing of redox equation in acidic medium. Remember, my name is Israel Egwai. Please, after watching this video, do me well to share and also like. So the example we are going to use here is this is the equation we are the typical equation we are going to use. Remember, the method we are going to apply here also apply to others, especially when you are using the K2CrO2O7 heptadichromate. So this is tetraoxomanganese 7 ion. It has ionized already in solution. That's why potassium is not included. So you have this. To carry out this, first of all, know that in acidic medium or neutral medium, hydrogen ion must be present, especially when you are doing this redox balancing. So here, oxidation number of this is +7. Oxygen is here, it's not here, so we ignore it. This +3. You already, in my previous video, I showed you how to determine the oxidation numbers and to calculate it. +2, +3. So you can see it from this place to this place. +7 to +2 is reduction. Then from +3 to this, +3 to +2 to +3 is oxidation. So remember that oxidation is the removal of electron linked to the increase in oxidation number. So let's do the first one. Oxidation half cell equation. Remember, in some of your examination bodies in the objective aspect, they may tell you in the question above which of the following statement is true. A, manganese is reduced to +2, or manganese is oxidized to +2 from +7, or from +2 to plus, like that. This one will help you out. And also the oxidizing agent, remember this one is oxidized, therefore this is the oxidizing agent and this is the reducing agent. This one settles, you don't have business with that. So you bring out the oxidation half cell equation, Fe2 plus will give you Fe3 plus. This is how it is on the equation. Then we now have, remember we have sodium 281, for example. When it oxidizes, it becomes, by loss of electron, Na plus E minus. How? This electron is gone, they are in the valence shell. We now have 28. The same thing applies to magnesium 282. Becomes Mg2 plus 2 electron. This 2 is gone. You see, so from 0 to +2. From 0 to +2. Why is it 0? Any element that is not combined has oxidation number of 0. And the one that carries charge, the oxidation number is equivalent to that charge. So similar thing applies to this. Since it increased from this to this, you now have Fe2 plus to give you Fe3 plus electron. We call this equation 1. So it has increased by loss of electron. That is why we brought this for explanation purpose. This other one I've deleted. Then, if you have this, you now say equation 1 here. Then let's see reduction half cell equation. B, reduction half cell equation. The one that involves reduction, you bring it out. MnO4 minus plus, to give you Mn2 plus. This is how it is in the equation. These two are the ones that undergo reduction process. So the next thing you are going to do, you see oxygen is here. Now everything happens in aqueous solution anyway. So in order to carry out this reaction, you have to add oxygen to the other side, right hand side. Now become MnO4 minus to give you Mn2 plus 4H2O. By trying to balance oxygen, you cannot put 2O2. No. Because it's happening in aqueous solution, you have to introduce water. So here now, oxygen is 4 atoms, oxygen is 4 atoms. So you say O2 is balanced. It's balanced. Then you now, by introducing water, to balance oxygen, you have introduced hydrogen. You now have to introduce hydrogen ions on the left hand side. MnO4 minus plus 4 times 2 is 8, 8H plus to give you Mn2 plus 4H2O. You see hydrogen is balanced. Then the next is to balance the ion. Those are the 3 steps. Now have for the ions minus 2 plus 8 minus S equals plus 2. You can see it. Minus 2 here, that's the charge. 8 times 1 is 8 here, equals minus 2. You are introducing electrons, so it's minus S also, it's negatively charged. So you now have plus 6. Is it minus 2? This is minus 1, sorry. So you have plus 7 minus S equals plus 2. Minus S equals plus 2 minus 7. Minus S equals minus 5. Cancel, cancel. X equals 5. So the number of electrons we are going to introduce is 5. And you don't need to show this one. If you don't know it, then you can show it. MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electron to give you Mn2 plus 4H2O. You see electron equals balance. It's balanced. So you call this one equation 2. Now you multiply the coefficient of electron in equation 1 by use the coefficient of electron in equation 1 to multiply equation 2 and vice versa. So it means we are going to use this electron to multiply equation 1, and we are going to use this number of electrons to multiply equation 2. Let's start equation 1. Multiply by 5. Become 5Fe2 plus to give you 5Fe3 plus 5 electrons. 5 electrons. Then equation 2, since we are multiplying by 1, remain the same thing. Becomes MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electron to give you Mn2 plus 4H2O. 5 electron must cancel, but they must be on opposite sides, left hand side, right hand side. We copy the rest out. Let's use the top. Means we're already done with that side. Becomes 5Fe2 plus MnO4 minus, anyone can come up first. O minus plus 8H plus to give you 5Fe3 plus Mn2 plus 4H2O. So this is the answer. But sometimes we can check to know whether it's correct. You have iron here, you have manganese, you have oxygen, and you have hydrogen. Then in between you have iron, manganese, oxygen, and hydrogen. If you still are not clear, you can ask me questions in the comment section. Iron is 5, manganese is 1, oxygen is 4, hydrogen is 8. Then you have electron at the end of the day. Iron here is 5, manganese is 1, oxygen is 4, hydrogen is 4 times 2, 8. Then for the electrons, 5 times 2 is 10, 10 plus 8, 18 minus 1, 17. For this 5 times 3, 15 plus 2, 17. So the equation is balanced. So this is a very simple way of carrying out Redox equation in, remember this is the end of it, of carrying out Redox equation in acidic medium. You check my previous video, we already done how to carry out balance of Redox equation in alkaline medium using the same principles. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.